Do you have a WordPress website? If yes, this video may really help you. If not, you can skip this one and save your valuable time. Today, I want to talk to WordPress owners, marketers, and anyone who wants to stop guessing. Today, data is everything. We all can see how powerful AI becomes when it gets better data. The same thing happens in marketing and analytics. If your website data is weak, incomplete, or confusing, then your decisions will also be weak, incomplete, or confusing. And that is a problem. Because if you have a WordPress website, but you do not know where your visitors come from or what makes them buy, then honestly, you are working a little bit blind. And I am not saying that to sound smart. I am saying that because this is the exact problem many website owners face. They work hard, they write content, they improve products, they run ads, they test designs. Sometimes they even pray a little too. But when they check the data, it's incomplete or missing. So instead of making confident decisions, they keep guessing. And guessing is expensive. Let me give you a very simple example. Imagine someone first finds your website from Google, then returns from Facebook, then finally buys from an email. Which channel actually helped that sale happen? Google, Facebook, email? If you do not know that clearly, you cannot make smart decisions. That is exactly why I created TrackSure Cloud. Not to create another complicated dashboard, but to help you actually understand your data. TrackSure Cloud helps you understand where visitors come from and how they move through your site, connecting directly to your favorite ad platforms. You can see exactly where people drop off in your funnel. That is the information that helps you grow with more confidence. Now, if you are running ads, this becomes even more important because ad platforms optimize based on the data you send. If you feed the algorithm weak data, it won't do what you want. Better data helps improve your ROI and ROAS with clearer reporting. But this is not only for people who run ads. Even if you do not run ads, you still need to understand what content works and where users lose interest. Growth comes from search engines, blog content, and referrals too. TrackSure helps you understand the very thing helping you grow. And of course, privacy matters. The goal is to track more responsibly, clearly, and usefully. That is a very important difference. TrackSure Cloud is not built to be creepy. It helps owners understand their own site better, while being more thoughtful about how tracking is done. That is why I built TrackSure Cloud, a plugin that tracks user journeys, goals, and analytics quietly in the background, without taking a tea break. And one thing I want to say very clearly, TrackSure Cloud does not track you. It helps you track your own website. That idea is very important to me. This is about visibility and control. So if you want clearer analytics and smarter decisions, take a look at TrackSure Cloud. No magic button, just better understanding. Thank you for watching.